And now only on India Today, we are breaking this news that we are bringing you a photograph of the three predators of the rape case in the law college in Kolkata together. You will be able to see them together. That picture that you see is of the three accused. Of the four, three are here. The prime accused, Manojit, in the center, Manojit Mishra, you can see him there in a yellow kurta. And to his left side is accused number 2, Zeb Ahmed, and also Pramit Mukherjee. For more on this, we are joined by India Today's Rajesh Saha. Rajesh, we are seeing the picture on screen now of the three accused. Out of the four, the fourth one being, of course, the guard. These three clearly shows us they were good friends. They were together in some sort of a festivity and shows a link between them.
Absolutely. You can, if you see the picture, you can, that can be seen. The accused number 1, who is the prime accused, Manojit Mishra, is in the middle of the frame, and on his left side, accused number 2, Zeb Ahmed, is standing on his left side in white clothes, and accused number 3 and close associates of Manojit Mishra. He is Pramit Mukherjee, is standing on the right side of the prime accused, on the left side of the frame. Three accused in one frame, you can see the picture. So that proves they were close friends, and other two accused number 2, accused number 3, both were close associates of prime accused Manojit Mishra, who was the principal president of that particular college, and he was the TMC leader. He was holding, he was the TMC leader. He was holding, he was serving as the organizing secretary.
Rajesh, he was clearly influential in that law college, if so to say. And, you know, his body language also in this photograph, you can see that he's more like, he has some sort of a hold over the two men. His casual arm around the neck of the accused number 2. The picture says many things in terms of body language also.
Absolutely, he was so influential due to his political color that prime accused, that's been accused number 1, Manojit Mishra, was a TMC leader. He was the leader of Trinamool Congress's student wing. He was holding the post of organizing general secretary of TMCP, Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad. He was the general secretary of South Kolkata District Committee of Trinamool Congress's students wing. And he was close to several Trinamool Congress leaders, several ruling party leaders in Kolkata. He was close to some ruling party councillor, one MLA, and once upon a time he used to serve as the unit president of that particular college. You can see South Calcutta Law College over here, and there were several flags and photographs of Trinamool Congress, photographs of Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee and General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, and Manojit Mishra was the unit president of that particular college before few years, and right now he was serving as the general secretary, as the organizing general secretary of Trinamool Congress's students wing, Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad. And however, the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad hold a press conference a few days back, and the state president of TMCP, Mr. Srinankur Bhattacharya, hold a press conference and created a distance from this arrested accused. He has said that strong punishment should. He also demanded strong punishment against this arrested accused. He also said that punishment should be ensured within just 100 days. He also told that that Manojit Mishra was not a big leader. He was very small leader. Which post he was holding, which is general secretary, organizing general secretary, is the lowest post of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. So Trinamool Congress also wanted to create distance with the arrested accused after he was arrested. But before he was arrested, Manojit Mishra was so powerful, he was so influential in that college that after passing out, he also got the job over here in the same college.
Right, Rajesh, clearly many questions are being raised, and right now we are focusing on this picture that we are seeing right now of the three accused out of the four together in one frame.